Jerry's Jumbo Jet charcoal pencils are a serious tool for a serious or non-serious artist, anybody that wants to leave a mark, because these things will leave a mark. I want to just quickly first start with, there's 4 different colors, but I want to focus on the black to start with, just to give you an idea versus a traditional drawing pencil what you're getting. First of all, it's a 5.5 millimeter lead. Really, really bold mark. It's made of a oil-impregnated charcoal, so it goes down really smoothly, it blends nicely, and I'll show you all that good stuff. What I have here is an 8B raffinate pencil. And just show you in comparison. Then we're going to jump to a Soho ebony pencil, which actually makes a wonderfully dark line. You know, more of like a 9 or a 10B pencil than anything else. And then we're going to go to our Jumbo Jet pencil here. Now, this isn't graphite, okay? This is an oil-impregnated charcoal. So it's going to give you all the advantages of a pencil and take away some of the disadvantages of working with charcoal, because it can be very powdery and messy, and the oil keeps it together. But a video is worth a million words. That's what I'll say. So you can just see the comparison there of just how much darker it is. When you're working with these pencils, you know, one of the questions that we get, you know, you look at things like the comments is, you know, how do you sharpen them? We do have sharpeners that will accommodate a pencil of that width on the Jerry's Artarama website. Also, I would highly suggest using things like the Accurate knife, any kind of utility blade. You can sharpen them yourself, because another thing that people left in the reviews that they loved about these pencils were using them for blending and shading. And I'll show you just, you know, if you were to slice the pencil at an angle, you can get an even bigger stroke if you wanted than just this. It just depends on what your needs are. Another thing that people really liked on the website was that it doesn't have that graphite shine. Again, that's a benefit of the charcoal not having that shine. So if you were to work with, this is our 8B here, the graphite will get, and I don't know how well this will come up on camera. I do my best to give you guys an experience like you'd be having, you know, kind of holding the pencil yourself. Graphite has a bit of a shine to it depending on when the light hits it. This is really matte black, and unless I was to work over it again and again and again, it's going to stay matte black. It absorbs that light almost like something off of one of those old black light posters, like a velvet flat black, if that makes sense. And then just real quickly showing you how the other colors lay down. I'm going to show you the Sanguine and the Sepia real quick, because I'd be curious what those look like on paper in comparison. So this is going to be our, I think this is our Sanguine, yeah. So this is our Sanguine. They make really, you know, they can make those really fine lines. And they can do these broad strokes, so you can kind of get an idea of the color. And then this is our Sepia. It's a deep sepia. And then there's also, of course, the white. Now, I think the best thing about to show the white is because white is often used as kind of like a highlight, like when you're working with these colors to pop color on a toned paper. So we went ahead and we did some artwork. We'll show you that right now, just to show you how you can use that white charcoal Jumbo Jet charcoal pencil to make the colors pop with the white accent. So that gives you an idea of how you can use the white. Another thing that people really liked about the Jumbo Jet pencils, and they kept commenting on, was how well they blend and they work like a pencil. So let me just kind of show you what I think that they're referring to with that. I'm just going to lay down first in comparison here the this is an 8B pencil next to the oil-impregnated charcoal of the Jet Black pencil, Jumbo Jet Black pencil. And it was really cool because I was playing around with this, and this is how you can use and blend and smudge with a typical graphite pencil. But look how easily you can do it same with the charcoal, oil-impregnated charcoal of the Jumbo Jet. That was really neat. The same thing stands for the other colors as well. Let's pull that down. They work with tortillions, blending stumps, the whole 9 yards. And really a great versatile tool. I highly suggest adding one of these to your toolbox, especially if you want to make a mark that will make an impression, because these things are going to leave a mark. So enjoy Jumbo Jet charcoal pencils.